Hello, and welcome to Daddy Goes to Work to learn about the amazing features of our planet Earth. Today, we will explore some of the most incredible natural wonders that make our planet so unique and special. Are you ready to start our journey? Let's begin with the ocean. Did you know that the ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface? That's a lot of water. The ocean is home to many different creatures, from tiny plankton to giant whales. It's also an important source of food and oxygen for all living things on Earth. Next, let's talk about clouds. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that float in the sky. They come in many different shapes and sizes, from fluffy white cumulus clouds to dark, stormy cumulonimbus clouds. Clouds also play an important role in our weather, bringing rain, snow, and even thunderstorms. Now, let's head to the desert. Deserts are very dry places that receive very little rainfall. They can be hot, like the Sahara in Africa, or cold, like the Gobi in Asia. Despite the harsh conditions, many plants and animals have adapted to survive in the desert, such as cacti, camels, and snakes. Our next stop is the forest. Forests are areas with many trees and plants. They provide habitat for many animals, such as bears, deer, and birds. They also help clean the air we breathe by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Let's take a trip to an island now. Islands are areas of land that are completely surrounded by water. They can be big or small, and some are even volcanoes that are still active. Islands can have unique plant and animal species that you can't find anywhere else in the world. Now, let's talk about glaciers. Glaciers are huge masses of ice that move slowly over time. They can be found in places like Greenland and Antarctica. Glaciers can carve out valleys and mountains, and they also play an important role in regulating the Earth's temperature. Let's take a break and cool off by a beautiful lake. Lakes are bodies of water that are surrounded by land. They can be small, like a pond, or huge, like the Great Lakes in North America. Lakes are home to many fish and other creatures, and they also provide recreational opportunities for people. Our next stop is the mountain. Mountains are tall, rocky landforms that are higher than hills. They can be formed by volcanic activity, tectonic movement, or erosion. Mountains can be challenging to climb, but they also offer breathtaking views and unique habitats for plants and animals. Finally, let's talk about rivers. Rivers are bodies of water that flow from higher ground to lower ground. They can be big or small, and they can be found in many different environments, from deserts to forests. Rivers provide water for plants, animals, and people, and they also help shape the land around them. And speaking of shaping the land, let's talk about waterfalls. Waterfalls are where a river or stream flows over a steep drop in the landscape. They can be big or small, and some of the most famous ones are Niagara Falls in North America and Victoria Falls in Africa. Waterfalls are not only beautiful to look at, but they also help to aerate the water and provide important habitats for fish and other aquatic creatures. So there you have it, some of the amazing natural wonders that make our planet Earth so unique and special. From the vast oceans to the towering mountains, from the lush forests to the scorching deserts, there is so much to explore and learn about on our planet. I hope you enjoyed our journey together and that you continue to explore and appreciate the beauty of the Earth around you. Thank you for joining Daddy Goes to Work channel on this adventure to discover the amazing features of our planet Earth. Based on the video, here are some vocabulary words that you can learn. Ocean. The ocean is a huge body of saltwater that covers most of the Earth's surface. The ocean is home to many different kinds of animals, like whales, dolphins, and sharks. You can have fun at the ocean by swimming, surfing, or playing in the sand. Cloud. Clouds are fluffy, white things in the sky that are made of water droplets or ice crystals. Sometimes clouds look like animals, like a sheep or a dragon. Clouds can bring rain, snow, or hail to the ground. Desert. A desert is a very dry place where it hardly ever rains and there are not many plants or animals. Some deserts can be very hot during the day and very cold at night. Camels are animals that live in the desert and they can go a long time without water. Forest. A forest is a big area with lots of trees and other plants growing together. Forests are important because they provide oxygen, clean air, and homes for animals. You can go hiking, camping, or birdwatching in a forest. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Some islands are very small, like a dot in the ocean, and others are huge, like Australia. People who live on islands sometimes have to take a boat or a plane to get to other places. Glacier. A glacier is a huge mass of ice that moves slowly down a mountain or valley. Glaciers are formed from snow that has not melted for many years. Glaciers can be dangerous to explore because they can crack or break apart. Lake. A lake is a big body of water surrounded by land on all sides. Lakes can be freshwater or saltwater and can have different colors, like blue or green. People can go swimming, fishing, or boating in a lake. Mountain. A mountain is a tall, rocky landform that rises high above the surrounding land. Mountains can have snow on the top and trees growing on the bottom. People can climb mountains as a challenging outdoor activity. River. A river is a flowing body of water that usually starts from a mountain or a spring and ends in an ocean or a lake. Rivers are important because they provide water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. You can go fishing, rafting, or kayaking in a river. Waterfall. A waterfall is where water flows over a steep drop in the landscape and creates a beautiful cascade of water. Waterfalls can be big or small and can be found in different parts of the world. You can take a hike to see a waterfall and listen to the sound of the rushing water. Thanks for watching.